This is an EPDM washer. This is a washer that is used on roofs, metal roof systems. You can see on this side it has stainless steel, and on the back side has EPDM rubber. And how these are used, this is a 1/2 inch diameter. If you were using a lag screw with this washer, I would put this washer on like this, and they fit on very tight and snug, as you can see, and they just can slide up there. And you can see it fits nice and tight against the head, so there's no gap, and that rubber is tight up against the shank of the lag screw, so there'll be no water leakage. So should water come down, go under and get behind there, it's not going to come down between the shank. It's going to give a complete seal. And that's a EPDM washer.